I'm Jacob Melenders from Tech Support. Today we're going to cover the BB50-S. It's a 2-channel amplifier. You're looking at 50 watts RMS at 8 ohms or 65 watts at 4 ohms. It also has multiple turn-on methods. Now we're going to cover hooking up the BB50-S. Notice there are 2 speaker outputs. They are parallel, so please keep it 4 or higher ohm stable load. The BB50-S features 2 inputs. You have your line level, which you'll see here, and also the speaker level input. If you are going to use the line level, please make sure that you flip the switch to line in. And if you're going to use the speaker input, which will be the speaker B, you want to make sure that it is switched to speaker in. You'll also notice that the BB50-S features a speaker A input. The A input is simply passive, so when the amplifier is turned off, the input will feed right through your speakers. When the amplifier receives either a voltage or an audio input, it will switch on over to the B amplification. Another thing you'll notice on the BB50-S is the ability to bypass the gain levels that are up front by the flip of a switch. There are 4 ways to trigger the BB50-S, one being the audio sensing. You can use the either speaker level or line level in. Make sure that you do set the switch to the correct input. And also you will notice delay and sensitivity pot gains on the front. Sort of at a counterclockwise motion, move it clockwise direction to go ahead and get the desired sensitivity. Next you'll notice is another method of automatically triggering the BB50-S is the video input. And make sure that you do set the video input to on so that it will trigger when it does sense video. Another method of triggering the BB50-S will be the DC input. A 4 to 24 volt signal will be required to trigger it on, but it will automatically turn off once the voltage drops below 1 volt. The last method of triggering the BB50-S on is the actual AC outlet on the back. Once we do receive power signal from another source, it will flip on as long as you have the switch set on AC on. The BB50-S also features a 12 volt 100 milliamp output that you can use to connect power on your other components in your rack, or you can make the jumper on the back to the 12 volt input and leave the BB50 on constantly. So once everything is connected correctly, the BB50-S does receive a trigger input. It will automatically switch from the A, which is off, to the B amplification, which will be on. So that covers the installation and the features of the BB50-S. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, or you can email any questions at techtips@speakercraft.com. Have a good day.